Well, here's today's 9 AM. It's now 10 past 11. So that's a great way to start a video, everyone. I hope you can sense the sarcasm in my voice. Here we go. So again, another Fn2 Civic with some mods. So this one's got a Skunk 2 Ultra intake manifold, HKS induction kit. It's got a Tegiwa 4-to-1 manifold, decat and a Tegiwa exhaust system. So we're expecting good things out of it today. It's done 123,000 miles. It's got some nice mods. Like I say, it looks quite smart, I think. Yeah, so let's plug in the Ecutek software, do some logs.
So that's the Dynodaze base file loaded onto it, and now it's all about Rick doing his fine tuning on the dyno as we put it through its paces. Just with the base file on it, which is, you know, our year's worth of development on these, we can see a massive gain already. So fine tuning it is probably the hardest part, but you can. It just goes to show that you can spend your money on the modifications, and you can make it breathe as well as you want, but they do need to be mapped to get the absolute potential out of them. So yeah, I hope this video helps you guys, and I'll just take this opportunity again to thank all you guys for watching and supporting, and I love the Fn2 community. Yeah, feel the love.
Tuning appears to be going very well, Richard.
A little bit rich at the moment.
Yeah. You're nice and warm in there, mate.
It's alright with the heat on. You should try.
It's pretty cold out here with the fan on me all morning.
Oh, you'll have me crying in a minute, mate.
Boo-hoo.
Well, it'll make up for the time when you sit in a nice warm office, don't it, mate, with the heater blowing on your legs. You know what I mean? I'm out here freezing to death.
Is that how it works?
You ain't getting no sympathy out of me, mate. I can assure you.
You took my heater off me last winter.
Yeah?
Well, that's not fair, is it? I didn't turn your lights off, did I? Well, there's our finish point for today. As you can see, the blue line is what we've achieved. The red line's as it came in. Just going to show you that you can bolt all these mods on and it will run, yes, but we can do a lot better if we tune it for those mods. We finish on 224 brake horsepower, which equates, well, it's 178 wheel horsepower, so, but looks lovely, sounds lovely, doesn't half drop some bombs.
Light moves pretty fast.